Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. And it's two rook versus two rooks. It's equal in position in material, but still white can win this. And white has a single way to do so. So as always, go ahead, pause the video and cast the move. Best of luck. So the first move is you may just think to just capture this part, this rook, the rook on e8. But that doesn't do anything because black would just capture back your rook and you don't have a winning chance in this position. You may just give some kinds of checks, but that doesn't lead you to a victory or to win material. So you can't do that. Of course, that is not the correct move. And it's the same with the other rook. The rook would just capture your rook, and now it's rook versus rook, and this is a dead draw. So these are the most obvious moves. The other move you may try to play is rook to h7. So in this position the king must move, and you may just try to give another check by playing rook to g1. So in this position you are going black is going to play rook to king to f8, and you may just probably play g6, right? Rook to g6. So this is going to be a big deal for you. It's going to make a checkmate, right? This is going to deliver checkmate. But all of these moves don't work because black would just go out with one of the rook, with a e5 rook, and you can't just give this check, but this doesn't lead you anywhere, right? So black can play king to e8, and you are not going to win this. Black is going to out from the position, and all of these are not the correct move. So the correct move is to play rook to e7. So in this position black can't take either of the rook. Black can't take the d7 rook, but you are going to play rook takes e8, and that is a straight checkmate. And black can't take the other either, because you are going to take the d7 d8 rook, and that is another checkmate, right? So this is your idea, and black can't take these rocks. So the other thing is you are just creating a deadly attack on the 7th rook. So in this position, if the rook moves to f8, you are going to play rook to h7, and rook to g7 is just checkmate. So the rook can't play to this direction. Obviously, if the rook moves to g7, this is straight checkmate, and the rook wouldn't do that. So you may probably think, what if black moves the other rook, the rook on d8? What if black plays rook d8 to b8? So what do you do? So in this position you are going to play rook to h8, and you are going to play the other rook to g7, and when the king moves to f8, you are going to deliver checkmate on h8. So that is what you are going to do if the rook moves to any of these squares, right? The rook can move to 3 of these, but you are going to deliver checkmate this way. So in this position black's best move is actually to play king to g8, but that is also lead to checkmate. You are going to play, because you are going to play rook to g7, and if the king steps on f8, this is going to be just checkmate. So the king would just go back, and you are going to give this check, and this is just checkmate. So this is how you should play to win this position. So guys, this is the whole video, and guys, subscribe and like to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. Share it with your friends. I will see you next video. Bye.